Hello, this is Jason from the KU Medical Library, and today I have a quick video on how to export citations from the CINAHL database. So this is the EBSCO published CINAHL Ultimate database. And where we're going to start today is looking at a set of results. You see I've run a search on cancer elderly treatment. I've got 469 results, and now I want to save some citations and export them to a citation tool. So that'd be EndNote, RefWorks, Zotero, Mendeley, any of those. Now I can do this individually or in bulk. And we'll start with individual export. So I'm going to open up one of the citations and note that I'm just exporting the citation information. I'm not downloading the full text of the article. So this is just the information on the article, the abstract, the authors, the CINAHL headings, all that. So to do one citation, I'm going to go to the upper right here. You see there's some different buttons here. I want the second one, which is cite, the little quote mark. So I'm going to click on that, and that's going to open up this box. Now the default one is the copy citation. So this allows you to copy this citation, say in APA 7th, you can change that. But what I want to actually do is export the citation. So I need to click on this second tab. And here we have some different options, but I highly recommend export in RIS format, the last one. This is going to download a file in kind of the standard citation format file, RIS. And with that, you can upload that into, as you see, any of these citation tools, and many more. Now you can sometimes with the databases do things like a direct export to RefWorks, but I think it's nice to have a separate RIS file for documentation for later. So you can keep that file separate, even after you upload the citations. But at this point, you're going to click on this. It's going to download a file to your computer, and then you'll go into your citation tool of choice and upload that. So that's a single citation. And let's go ahead and we'll do bulk citation. So I'm going to go back to my list of results here. Now within EBSCO, there are some issues with the citation export. And let me just explain that. So to do a bulk export, the maximum right now is just 50. Now you can see we have 469 that I might want to export, but when I check this box here, although maybe I should mention you can click these if you want to select, say, those three. But if you want to do all of your citations, what you're going to need to do is check this box. And so you can do all on this page, up to 50. Now you'll see export results up to 25,000. Unfortunately, that's not working right now. We're working on fixing that, but at this point, you could only do 50 at a time, which means if you want to export all 469 of these, which would be easy in PubMed and Embase, it's going to be a little more challenging in EBSCO. But anyways, just to show you how to export from this point, so we've selected 50 of those. You'll see some similar icons to what we saw on the individual citation, although the site is on the other side now. We're going to click that, and it's going to open up that same type of dialog box where we can copy the citations, but again, we want to do the export. Now you'll see the export in RS is at the top. I'm not sure why it switched, but again, that's the kind of format that we want. We're going to click on this. It's going to download a file that'll include 50 citations, and then we can upload that into our citation tool that we're choosing. Just to explain more about the problem with this, if you want to do the export up to 25,000, you need to sign into your account. I'm not able to do that right now. You're welcome to try. Hopefully that'll work for you. Once we get that fixed, then this will be much, much easier. But at least for now, you understand the basics of exporting citations from CINAHL and getting those into your citation tool. Thank you.